In this video, I'm going to go over some of the questions that you're going to have for an exit ticket to review what we learned last week for 3.4, comparing decimals on a number line. A question that you might have is to compare the fraction half and 1/3 using less than, greater than, or equal to symbols to support your response using mathematical reasoning such as benchmarks, number lines, or absolute value. You're going to be doing this on an exit ticket, so you can't draw a number line, but I drew a number line in this case. I totally forgot that you won't be able to do that using a Google form. But if you do it on scratch paper, then you may be able to explain it in words using benchmarks and absolute value. So here's an example response. 1/2 is greater than 1/3 because 1/2 is about 1600ths farther from 1/3 to the right from 0. I drew a number line so I can visualize that. So I did that on a you could do that on a separate sheet of paper. Next, you're going to have a problem like this one. Which fraction below is -700ths closest to? Explain using mathematical reasoning. You're going to be given several fractions just like this. And the best thing to do is convert them into decimals, just like the number that you're given in the problem. Then I can place them in order from least to greatest on the number line. But the trick is, in my problem, these are all negative numbers. So you're going to have to know where to replace them on the number line. As you can see, I placed all of the decimals on the number line based on a hundredths chart. And here's an example of how to respond to this problem. Next, the type of problem that you're going to have is rewrite the numbers in order from least to greatest. Rewrite the numbers means do not convert them into decimals if they are fractions, or convert them into fractions if they're decimals. Just write them the way you see them.